Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary and today we are doing Marley Hair twist. So this is the cover of the Marley Hair I used. It's called Sublime and this is how it looks like, and the color is brown. I used 2 packs and they are about 90 rands each. I will also use Edge Control by Afro. I sectioned my hair prior to shorten the video. I'm just going to apply shea butter on my hair ends because it will be difficult to moisturize the hair entirely after braiding. You can apply hair oils or any moisturizer, and then I will then apply my edge control to neaten the hairstyle. While you are busy watching, please don't forget to like the video, comment, share and subscribe. I used 2 strands of Marley hair. If you want thinner twist, you can use 1 strand. And if you want thicker twist, you can add more. I started with undoing the hair ends to remove those knots and make it easier to separate when braiding. I will start by braiding my natural hair using the 3 strands braiding technique, just enough to prevent unraveling. I will then hold the Marley hair in the middle, then place it on the natural hair, then start braiding for about 3 or 4 times. Then make sure that the natural hair strand is in the middle, then separate the middle strand into 2. So whether you chose the thinner twist or the thicker twist, you just have to make sure that when you braid with the 3 strands, all the strands are equal. And then also, when you separate to do the twist, the strands are equal. As you can see, I've started twisting. For those who cannot twist, just twist with one hand and alternate, just like how I'm doing it. You can twist once or twice. This will depend on how you want your twist to look like. So I started with twisting twice. When my twist is stable, I will then twist once. By stable, I mean that you can see that it's twist and it cannot unravel. Actually, the hair tangling is the real reason why I sectioned my hair before, as you can see. So you don't really want to see all the process, because even when I comb the hair, it doesn't matter, it will tangle anyway. So yeah, when I'm done sectioning, I'll just apply the edge control and then braid my natural hair first, then ensure that the Marley hair ends are loose and then start braiding. So an important thing to note with the front braids is to make sure that the two strands of the Marley hair are not aligned, so that the length of the back twist is complemented. So you just have to make sure that one strand is longer than the other. I'll start braiding using the 3 strands technique, and then when I'm satisfied with the length, I'll then separate my natural hair to be on both sides, and then make sure that the 2 strands are equal. And then I will then show you how I twist again slowly so you can see how I do it. After braiding, I applied hair mousse. So I bought it at Clicks and it was less than 100 rands. It will add some shine and further neaten the hairstyle. Finally, I will cut the hair ends, not too much. I actually lost the clip where I was cutting the twist ends. Sorry for that. And then I used amla oil to apply on my scalp to prevent dandruff, and also amla oil is very healthy for the hair and scalp. And do not forget to moisturize the scalp 2 or 3 times per week, depending on your scalp health. Well, you know your hair and scalp very well. And this is how it looks like after braiding and putting on the spices, you know, hair mousse, amla oil, and all the stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, also subscribe, and if you can, please share the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.